What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American Ford ABD. Hope you're having a great day, because we are. It's awesome. So, want to give everybody an update on the shop. Want to give everybody on. It's Ethan.
What up? Who's that?
Everybody.
Everybody. What's up, everybody?
This is Ethan. This is with the Overland trailer, the Humvee. So, want to give a quick update on everything. So, before I have to deal with Ethan's. So.
Oh, dude, God. What's up?
All right. So we've got Mark's Jeep in the house. It's going pretty well. We've got the axle stripped out of it. We got all the control arms stripped out of it. The only thing we haven't stripped out of it that is not going back on is the shocks. But we've got that being dealt with here in just a uno momento. We've got the control arms on. We had to do a little bit of custom fabrication with the control arms. The mounts were not wide enough because this was a first gen Terraflex long arm, so their newer control arms are wider, so the brackets were narrower, so we had to widen them and re-weld it on both sides. So we got that fixed. Brant got that all welded up, looking awesome. So we are slowly but surely getting everything set up. It's let's see, Brant's doing the master right now, the upgraded brake booster. We've got an upgraded brake booster for the bigger axles. So Brant's doing that right now. Himmy. All right, cool. So we've got all the old control arms, all the old track bar steering. This is the new steering. This is the BK 1-ton steering kit. That's what we normally sell to everybody. This kit's awesome. We just got it back from powder coat. It's a beautiful black. You can kind of see it. It takes so long to get these things out of there, but out of all this packaging. But let's see if I can. There we go. So a nice, pretty textured black. That'll be cool. We've got Miss Fluentez's fenders back from powder coat, which look freaking killer. So it's got body color matched panels and then accent matched tubes. So these things are really, really cool, and they look really, really good. B2 powder coating. He does all our powder coating. He is an awesome guy. He does really great work, as you can see. So, Hunter is working on the JL, Sean's JL, or I'm sorry, no, Rob's JL. Gosh, I'm getting my customers mixed up. He is putting the new Toyo AT3s on her stock wheels. Speaking of which, let's go look. JL's over here getting a lift kit on and some 35-inch tires, so this thing will be all awesome once it gets done. Already looks awesome, but it's going to be more awesomer. Is that a word? Sure. Screw it. Oh, we've got Carrie's poor thing in here. The clutch just finally said no. Fine, clutch just said no, stop this, and we're done. So we got some clutch work to do on her, JK. Finally, after a month and a half from ordering it, Rough Country finally got our last shock for the Gladiator. Come on. I'm trying to do this with my foot. There we go. So we got our last Vertex from Rough Country. So the Gladiator will be fully put back together. As of right now, we went ahead and did the rear lift kit. We already got that on there, so you can kind of see it's sitting kind of high in the back. Instead of squat life, it's booty life. I don't know. But this lift kit will be finished today at some point. There's Mark right there. So let's get a close-up of the Vertex shocks. Oh, it looks so good in there. Matches the body color, matches the wheels. And they're awesome. So, cool. So half the lift kit's done on that. There's Eleni, so we'll put the fenders fenders on hers, which would be cool. That's Alan. That's Fat Tammy. Let's see. We've got Sean's JK in here. He's getting a 1-ton steering kit, and he's getting adjustable front track bar. So we'll be getting to this shortly. I think I've already shown the. I think I've already shown the red steering kit on that guy. So yeah, everybody's having a great day, having fun, getting everything situated, and yeah, the Overland trailer is done. It's out there somewhere. There's the Overland trailer. We just got done with that. We did a. Let me show you that actually. It's like a party in here. Ooh, what did Mark drop off?
It should stay with the front and the back's on.
Hell yeah. Had some Terraflex springs overnighted. We were deciding whether to keep the 6-inch springs that were on it, just without the spacers to lower it down, but they're just way too tall. So we went ahead and ordered 4-inch Terraflex springs, and so that's gonna get us all situated. Say hi, Mark.
Howdy, howdy. It's a good day.
It's a good day, that's right. So, overnighted, so that's gonna be fun. Buddy, hi buddy. Buddy says hi. Kyle says hi. Yeah. Horse pressures. So I want to show you the Overland trailer, just to see what we did with it. We added in some gussets. So gussets to each corner of the cage, or I'm sorry, the rack system. That way it strengthens it up a little bit. So all the way around added these triangle gussets. And then we added 2 X bars. So finger, camera, there we go. An X bar and then an X bar. That way to keep the rack system, because it has plenty of strength as far as back and forth and up and down, but it didn't have any strength to stay left and right. So the whole thing would sway left and right. So these guys, these X bars are going to keep the whole rack system from swaying back and forth. So got that all situated. Other than that, that's about it. I don't know if I want to divulge this information just yet, but the LJ might be going somewhere, and not going like on a trail or on a trip. Might be going for good. I don't know yet. So we may be getting rid of it. I'm not sure. So we'll find all that information out, what's today? Thursday? So tomorrow. All right, guys. So I appreciate you sticking with us, staying tuned. And this is just shop update. So I want to keep everybody updated on what we're doing. So I hope you guys like this, enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for all the support and everything else. Hope to see you guys out at the Windrock ride. We're having a beginner's Windrock ride a week from now. Next weekend, and then we'll be going out February to, I think we're having another meet February, I'm not sure, but go to our event section, you'll see all the rides and you'll see all the stuff we're doing. So guys, I appreciate it. This is Matt.